If you're running into an Epic Games payment error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can complete your purchase without the frustration. Whether your card is being declined, the launcher keeps failing, or Epic just won't let the payment go through, these solutions can help you get back into the game faster. And before we get started, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes just like this. First, the most important thing to check is your bank information. A lot of Epic Games payment errors happen because the country on your credit card does not match the region set on your Epic Games account. So open your payment details and carefully compare the billing country, address, and account region. If those details do not line up, Epic may block the transaction automatically. Fixing that mismatch alone can solve the problem for many users. Next, if your card keeps failing, try using PayPal instead. One of the easiest workarounds is linking your card to PayPal and then paying through PayPal rather than using the card directly on Epic. This often bypasses common debit and credit card decline issues, especially if your bank is being strict with online gaming purchases. If you already have PayPal set up, this is one of the fastest things to test. Another thing to keep in mind is that repeated failed attempts can trigger a temporary security block. If you've tried multiple times and the payment still won't go through, stop and wait at least 24 hours before trying again. Sometimes Epic or your bank will temporarily pause payment activity after several failures, and continuing to spam the checkout can make the issue worse. Giving it time can actually be the fix. If the error is happening inside the Epic Games launcher, the next step is to clear the launcher cache. This is a very common fix for payment and checkout problems. On Windows, open your File Explorer and go to the %local app data folder, then find the Epic Games Launcher cache folder and delete webcache _430. After that, restart the launcher and try the payment again. Clearing the cache removes old temporary data that may be causing the checkout page to break. If the launcher still gives you trouble, try completing the purchase in a web browser instead. Sometimes the Epic Games website works even when the launcher does not. Open your browser, sign into your Epic account, and try buying the item directly from the website. This is a simple workaround that can get around launcher-specific issues and payment glitches. You should also verify that your payment method has sufficient funds. It sounds basic, but insufficient balance, daily spending limits, or bank restrictions can all cause Epic Games payment errors. Double check that there is enough money available on your card or account, and if needed, contact your bank to confirm the payment is not being blocked on their side. If you've gone through all of these steps, try the purchase again one more time after confirming your details, switching to PayPal if needed, and using the browser instead of the launcher. Most Epic Games payment errors come down to one of these issues: region mismatch, temporary blockages, cache problems, or payment method restrictions. If this video helped you fix the issue, please hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss more simple gaming tutorials and troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing how to fix Epic Games payment errors on console, mobile, or with specific card issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.